Hello, my merge request to add and expose the Jira app OAuth application into just got merged, and this one will enable us to use OAuth for the Jira-connect app. And yeah, I just wanted to try it and thought I would record this to make sure we can see how everything goes together. And yeah, the setup requires a few steps, so anyone else who wants to see it don't have to run through all the steps. And yeah, and kind of just show how it works. Maybe this will be helpful when we create a documentation for this. We know what steps to take. All right, so the change is on staging. I think first thing to do is to enable a few feature flags, but actually just the OAuth feature flag that should be. So there's Jira-connect OAuth self-managed, and there's just Jira-connect OAuth. And I think this one is the one we want to enable. It seems like this is already enabled with staging. But I better double check. Just a second. So here's Slack. There was chatops run feature get. The name of the feature is this one, and then staging. Okay, so the feature flag is already enabled. That's good. Then we can go ahead and go to staging.com/admin. Yes. And this means we should see the new setting here in general. And it's not there. This might be, we might need to activate the other feature flag too, because I think the idea was that we don't want to have the feature visible on self-managed instances because it's currently not useful for them. Let's check. So there must be a feature flag somewhere here. Oh, okay. So it should be there if Jira-connect OAuth is enabled, which is true on staging. That's not here. And this should be on the general page. Okay, let me double check if this feature is really on staging. It's on staging Canary. Okay. How can I make sure I see the Canary changes? Okay, so that must be cookie. Let's see. Cookies. GitLab Canary. Let's see it. Okay, seems like I don't have this cookie. I think that term doesn't work. Okay, let me quickly figure out how to set a cookie. Okay, I found something that might work. So we just use this JavaScript thingy here. So here's the page. Just going to modify this a bit. So the cookie name should be GitLab Canary and the value should be true. Oh, look. Copy this, paste it here. Here we go. So I'm going to reload the page and see if this this works. Okay, I can see the setting here, and it's blank, which is good, I guess. Okay, next I need to follow my description here. I thought I had a better description of how this works. Maybe in the issue. Maybe in the other issue. Okay, I've created an issue to add the documentation. I think there are more details. This one. All right, that's the one I was looking for. Okay, click new application. Go to applications. Click new application. Oh, so that maybe we already have this. No, we don't. Okay, name. I think the name doesn't matter, but it's nice to have it right. And then here's the redirect URL, and this could go to staging, of course. Scopes API. What do we use here? It's a trusted application automatically authorized and GitLab. Okay, so that's not the case. The application will be used where the client secret can be kept confidential. Since this is handled in the front end, this is also not the case. We should probably add this here. Make sure trusted and no one was confidential. Not selected. And then we're going to create the application. All right, next step, copy the application ID. Done. Go to settings, general. That's here. Expand the GitLab for Jira app thing. Done. Paste the application ID. Done. Click Save Changes. Done. Yes, it's there. Go to the app marketplace, listing, and install the app. All right, so this one will be a little bit different. So we're going to go to Jira. This will be different because the app only points to GitLab.com, but we wanted to point it to staging. So we need to use the development flow here. All right, I already have it installed for staging. That's good. So we can just use this one, I guess. Oh, okay, I'm already signed in. Let's sign out. Because I think only then we will see the OAuth flow. Okay. Reload. Sign into the namespace. Oh, this just popped open on my other display. This is actually what we wanted to see, the new window opening up, and yeah, we can log in here. So I'm going to open the password manager. Paste this here. Okay, there's something missing. That's the client ID. I think this might be because we in my merge request here, we are rendering the front-end OAuth things somewhere here. Right, so this is where we generate the data that front-end uses to initialize the flow. And this one changes the client ID from the environment variable to the new application setting. And I guess that that this page loaded here in an iframe is still, it's not canary, so it's not loaded from the application setting. We might be able to see this if I search for client ID here. It doesn't find anything. Let's check the cookies first. Okay, we can paste our little thing in the console here too, I guess. So I'm going to copy this, add it here, and change name this, add the value to true. Okay, and let's reload, see what it does. it does the same. All right, I don't know why this is, but we can wait for it to be on production, or not on production, but on staging without canary, and then try it again. Maybe that makes it easier. But before we do this, I really want to make sure that the data is rendered here. Wait a second, I'm going to turn off my screen sharing because I had some on a branch here that might be confidential, so I'm going to switch branches quickly. All right, here we are. Okay, I'm going to search for where this is used. This is used here, and I'm going to look for this. This is what I wanted to see. So there should be an element with this class that should contain all the data. But it's not here. So here's the iframe. But the data element is not here. Is it here? No. Okay, one other thing we can try is we can remove the app and install it again. Maybe this is because I already have a linked namespace, and maybe this doesn't work. So I uninstall this and then go copy this app descriptor URL. It's recommended here because I use this so often. So I paste this here, upload. This should do a fresh install of the app. Right, get started. This was the screen I was expecting. And I think this should have the data thingy here. Yeah, no. What's the name again? JS Jira app, connect app. Nothing found. Anyway, let's make sure we are on Canary. And then I'm going to do it one last try. If it's true, go to page. Yay, this looks better. I don't know why, but it seems to work. Yeah, so I'm going to authorize the app. And I'm signed in. Nice. Okay, so this video has been a little longer than expected, but the basic steps, just to repeat this, are go to admin. So should be signed back in here. Go to admin. Go to applications. Create the GitLab for Jira app using the steps from this documentation issue that will soon be turning into a true documentation thingy. Then go to settings general. Put the application ID here, save, and that's it. Oh, you should also be enabling the feature flag Jira-connect OAuth, but that should be it. And yeah, I think we need to do some front-end polishing, but then we should be good to go to release the OAuth flow. Thanks for watching.